to please felicitate Dr. Vikas Gite sir. Professor Sagar Patil sir. Today's news.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to one and all. I, Dr. Sunil Nethi, on the behalf of KC Engineering College and Management Jalgaon, welcoming all the dignitaries on the dais and all my dear students. We are very much fortunate that such renowned personality is among with us. Now, initially, I will tell about the Impact Lecture Series. The conduction of Impact Lecture sessions are one of the approach under the IIC program to support the IIC institutions to generate the awareness on innovation, IPR and startup in such institutions. The Impact Lecture sessions establishing strong connection with ecosystem at regional and national level and aware the students and faculty members about innovation ecosystem in their surrounding at national level. Now let me introduce about today's Impact Lecture, Mr. Sagar Patil sir. Sagar Patil sir has done BBS from IMR College Jalgaon in 2009 and also completed MBA from University of Pune in 2011. He did certificate course in agroecology from University of Calcutta in 1921. He did postgraduate diploma in development leadership from Bangalore in 2022. Sagar Patil sir having key professional achievements are knowledge management support project for agricultural from 2 districts to 49 districts across Maharashtra and Karnataka. Lead process of large area certification through identification of 110 organic villages across Dantewada district in Chhattisgarh. He has established 30 solar drying units for entrepreneurship development in our Jalgaon district. As far as core skills of the Sagar Patil sir are project management, monitoring and evaluation, trained 100 plus development professional on result based management. Presently he is working in KCIL department, North Maharashtra University Jalgaon as a incubation manager. So this is the brief introduction about the dynamic personality Sagar Patil sir. Now I coordinately invite Sagar Patil sir to start the session on innovation, incubation and startup. So give the big hand.
पीपल, फिजिकल एव्हिडन्स, पार्टनर आणि पर्पज. कुठले इनोव्हेशन घ्या. याच्या आधी टॅक्सी चालत नव्हत्या का? मग 9 पीस झालेले, त्याला मार्केटिंग मिक्स म्हणतात. बेसिकली इनोव्हेशन कशात होतं? तुम्ही कुठल्याही कंपनीचा प्रॉडक्ट घ्या, काही घ्या, ते इनोव्हेशन ह्या